Hey there everyone, what is up? It's your girl Olivia here. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Yeah, so I'm gonna be coming back at you with Foundation Friday. It's been so long since I've done a Foundation Friday. Excuse my messy ass room. I'm still like, in the process of cleaning. Anyways, yeah, so let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna be testing out the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation, the one that's going around everywhere. It's like, oh my god, this is so awesome. Like, people are just super fucking excited about this one. It's all over the internet, all over Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It's on the TVs, on them commercials. So without further ado, I'm about to pop it on my face, see if it actually works, right? So let's get it. Okay, first off, I'm actually gonna color correct a little bit just because I've got some scary type of a face going on, just a little bit. So I'm gonna, where's my, there it is. Sorry, I'm like still not prepared. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Magic Anti-Redness color corrector. Put that on my red spot. Shit, I forgot primer. Okay, real quick. Stop the color correcting. I'm going to be using this Beauty Treats Perfecting Primer. That's what it looks like. Yes. So, I don't know if I've tried this one out yet, but we're going to try it out. That's what it looks like. I'm only going to be using a little bit because I don't think I've, tried it, so. Excuse me. Alright. Let's just put it all over the face. It smells like really good. Like, it kind of reminds me of my mom's perfume. But also like a good lotion. So it actually, like, it goes on really nice. I don't mind it. Okay. Anyways, back at the color correcting, okay? Using this stuff, the color correcting one. Sorry, I'm like fucking with my mic. Okay, anyways, using this color correcting stuff, it like kind of actually fills in my pores a bit, which is nice, but it is also kind of greasy a little bit. So
I mean, it's something that you gotta work with.
Okay, so now that I got that all on, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the orange one that like
color corrects the what's that shit called? The purpley color. Sorry, brain fart.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it under my eyes. I'm gonna actually do one eye at a time, just because it like kind of dries faster. And I've learned my lesson not to put on a lot at a time. Because this stuff is super pigmented. Oh, okay. Attack this little zit because it's more on the purple side. So now that I got myself color corrected, I'm looking kind of dead, which is scary, but whatever. Alright, you know how I do this? I do one side beauty blender, one side brush. I'm gonna shake it up and get into it. Okay, we're gonna go with the beauty blender side first. So let's get it. Okay, so I'm actually really surprised with the beauty blender alone. Like, girl, she killed it. Like, look at that. I would say like this foundation is like super full coverage. I did really good, although I'm, you know, soaks up a lot of product, which isn't my favorite, but you know, whatever. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the brush. Okay, so I'd have to say that the beauty blender, I guess, like made it more full coverage per se than the brush. Like, they don't get me wrong, they both still did a good job, but like I feel like, you know, the beauty blender just like put it on my face better. Like, I don't know if you can see some like patchiness with the brush side compared to the beauty blender. It looks more, not thick, but more like, more there, like, I don't know. So I'm just gonna kind of, you know, pounce it in. far, would I recommend this? 10 out of 10. Yes, I would. I'm gonna actually go put my powder on, contour. I'm actually gonna go do all my makeup, and I'll come back and then we'll see how it looks with all that on, and I will give you my final review. So see you in a second. Alright, ladies and gents, so this is my final look. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Hold on, let me just adjust my camera. Alright, so overall, it's a really good full coverage foundation, I would have to say. It does pretty well with other products on top of it and beneath it. Definitely my color, you know what I'm saying. Alright, so yeah, I would recommend this one like 24/7 all the time. Baby girl, you get it. Also, y'all guys are like not even entering this giveaway. Face masks, baby girls. Face masks. Get it. Hop in on that giveaway. Like, if it's free. Like, y'all don't even have to pay shipping. I'm gonna be sending it to you and everything. Like, giveaways, you guys. Like, free giveaways. Hop in. I'm a legit person. You actually get the gifts. Alright, so I will put the original giveaway video in the description below. Ooh, I'm cute. Sorry, I'm just filming myself. Okay, so yeah, I will put it in the description below. Message me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Also, all my socials are below. Go check that out. What else? Yeah, share this video. Y'all have a good day, okay? Peace out, bitches.